What is Bitcoin Cash? Hi. This video is not someone as advertise. In this video, we will tell you in simple words what Bitcoin Cash is. If you are ready, let's go. In order to answer this question, you need to tell what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a payment system that was written by developers in C++. Japanese Satoshi Nacomoto is considered to be the author and main developer of Bitcoin, but this is still not exactly proven. Bitcoin was created in 2009, and it gradually began to grow. In 2017, the price of Bitcoin reached $19,000. In 2010, one American for 10,000 Bitcoins bought 2 pizzas. Since then, Bitcoin has become a means of payment. On August 1, 2017, the Bitcoin Cash payment system appeared. Bitcoin Cash began to be considered the younger brother of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash has gained a lot of investor confidence. Bitcoin Cash is now at a very high position in the cryptocurrency rating. Every day, a large amount of money is invested in Bitcoin Cash. But why do ordinary people need Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is a good way to make money. Bitcoin Cash can be sold and bought. Bitcoin Cash can be mined to sell. To mine, you need to install a special application on your computer, laptop, or mobile phone. To buy, you need to have an online wallet and buy Bitcoin Cash on a special exchange. You can buy Bitcoin Cash for $1 and sell it for $5 tomorrow. This is like stocks. So we advise you to try, mine, buy and sell Bitcoin Cash, and you can earn more. See you next time, friends.